Hi guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we're here with our first video for psychology and everything, an IP that I genuinely wanted to create, talking about how I have achieved everything at the right place at the right time. Now, so many of you all ask me that, all of the videos that you've made, Kanishka, are you sure that this has really happened? And how did you rewire your brain to be the person that you are today? Now, I understand that it's very difficult to accept change and to be a different person, but and one thing that I feel like I lack is empathy and something that brings a different perspective. So I thought of bringing the master of the master of empathy, and somebody who gives me a fresh perspective in whatever I do. So psychology and everything is
where
everything
we
decode the psychology in everything, basically. So the first topic, which I let her decide, talk about what she feels about the topic, and because we are besties, we've known each other since nursery prep, I guess, although we became really good friends in 11th 12th, but yeah, okay, we've known each other, we've had our own ups and downs, and the topic is
friendship is a jigsaw puzzle.
Friendship is a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, has anybody played a jigsaw puzzle? I mean, let me know in the comments.
Yeah. So like rightly she said that if she needs empathy, she looks out for me. So it's a jigsaw puzzle basically that she doesn't have, and I fulfill that demand in her life. Similarly, she has so many things like action जो मैं अभी नहीं कर रही थी.
Yes, so the whole point is how two opposite poles, two people who are not the same, fit into the same thing. The way I was talking about empathy, she wanted to say something about this, and I rightly believe that if I wouldn't have had her, maybe I would have been very rogue in my life without the factor of being empathetic. What do you have to say on it?
If I wouldn't have had you, I would have been sleeping in my bed right now.
I think you're just making me look like a villain that I made you get out of bed and come here.
You are. So she's the villain and I'm the cute angel in this friendship. That's about a jigsaw puzzle.
Alright, okay. So we'll start with the podcast. The whole point is that we are two people discussing about different topics, different things that matter in a friendship. I would like to first start with our journey of how things started and how eventually things started taking place and how we fit in.
We've gone away and then we've reshaped ourselves and come back into life.
Yeah.
And we've also spoken about the situation that happened. So I think, of course, psychology works behind friendships.
बहुत दिनों के बाद, because she doesn't like to confront things.
Yeah, I'm still not confronting, guys. That's a secret. We'll keep a different session.
No, so
blocking her from
like the whole point of us being opposite poles is she does not like to confront things, and I need things to be sorted. My instant reaction towards everything is break the friendship, break this relation, break this thing. No, I mean, that's true. Every person that I've been with till date, I mean, I hardly have close friends in my life, because the moment I feel something is off, I just feel like I need to distance myself. And she, on the other hand, is go with the flow. Please explain your ideology of go with the flow. I don't understand why she says that.
It is important to go with the flow. मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ secrets, बता दूँगी.
So she brings a balance where I go and I ask her, analyze the situation. She's like, it's okay. Let the situation be. You don't need to sort everything there and then. So my thing is solution oriented, sorted there and then. And for her,
time is the best healer.
Time होगा जब. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे पास जिंदगी में time नहीं है. जो करना है अभी करो. And she's like, हो जाएगा.
लंबी जिंदगी हमारी.
Delulu is the only Salulu I can understand.
Though she's more delusional.
I am, but in a different way. Not practically in business, but yeah. Okay, yeah, I am. इससे क्या झूठ बोलूं?
With that, guys, differences are not only the most important part of friendships, but similarities too. खर्चा करना is something that we both should agree with.
Yeah. We should not. Both of us should not, I think.
Yeah.
So it's not like just the opposite poles attract. We have certain similar things that hold us together, and certain differences that might try to take us together, but then again, those differences are the ones that attract to each other because we fit in like a jigsaw puzzle overall. But yeah, खर्चा हम दोनों ने कम करना चाहिए. Just like we're sitting right now. It's okay. Yes.
Yeah, so that's the psychology behind every friendship. मतलब differences को आपको gap करना पड़ता है, like some of her requirements, some of my requirements, we need to come to gaps. That's the psychology behind jigsaw puzzle. But we need to have similarities, otherwise we'll just be pulling and pushing. That's it. वही रहेगा for sure.
Yeah, and to be really honest, even if a jigsaw puzzle is complete, even if there's no gap in it, but even if अगर उसका एक piece उल्टा है या वो जो color है या आप कोई और jigsaw puzzle का उठा के उसके अंदर डालते हो, it still seems off the place. And I feel like, there are times where if that is off the place, you need to take that effort to remove that and try to change it. The whole point is, so many people say that you don't need to change yourself for anyone. It's not about changing. It's about taking that extra effort. Would you be willing to go that extra mile to do that for a friend?
Would you be?
Yes, I have. I was actually coming to that next point that, honestly, for me, some things are a deal breaker. I feel like, no, ये चीज़ नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा. And for a very long time, I was, thinking that maybe. So she was going through something and I was like, no, maybe I don't want this in my life right now. I don't know why am I going through this? Why am I feeling this? Because I was struggling with my own battles. But then at the end of the day, I realized that at least I'm a person who gets up and I can do it. I can help myself eventually. But she has been there for me in the past. Why can't I change myself a little bit, get that extra step and take her along with me? And that is why both of us are here today to do things. And I'm pretty sure she's changed a lot of things for me. The way that she's come here and got out of her comfort zone and agreed to do this in spite of so many.
And she didn't tell me that I'm not supposed to wear a neutral color. It will
merge with the background.
Guys, that's all.
So yeah, this is a very short podcast about what do we feel about the entire thing, and a very candid one.
Correct.
Genuinely something that we genuinely wanted to voice about what do we feel, the everyday things that we feel. And honestly, this is not the first time we are doing off camera. We've been doing this since 11th, 12th. Oh, I'm gonna tell you how much we've spoken about divorces and this marriage, that marriage since we were in 11th, 12th standard.
Yeah.
The whole break used to be about खाना तो हम क्लास में ही खा लेते थे जल्दी से और बाद में सिर्फ walk करके we used to gossip about all of these things. But at the end of the day, we realized that we don't do gossips about something that's not going to be productive. All of these discussions.
For this
podcast that we've started to make about the psychology and everything. So I hope this very mini kind of a podcast which voiced our opinion about psychology in friendship, about how friendship is a jigsaw puzzle and how you can view your friendship. So if you are struggling to make that peace with that friend, make that find whether your friend is the one who's there for you, then I think she's the one to give the solution, not me. I'll just say go break that friendship if you're not comfortable. Not the right person to take advices from.
To end this, guys, okay. So I think that we should always consider what the other person might be thinking about. It's not about just friendship, it's about being kind to the other person's opinion and suggestions. And that's all about the psychology behind friendship, relationships, or what we are going to particularly be doing in this podcast. For controversies, please comment below.
Basically, what she's saying is kill them with kindness. And I rather just kill them. But okay.
With kindness. That's why the jigsaw puzzle needs to be complete.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. And we'll be there with yet another episode, Decoding the Psychology in. We'll let you know in the next video. Thank
Bye.
you.
Take care.
Ready नहीं है वो नाक दे मैं मटाको रू but ठीक है. Is that your side? You want to sit on that side? Are you sure?
Yeah, I think I'll explore.
Cut!
You know this.
Yeah, I know this.
Yeah. It's very exhausted. तुम लोग को बताना पड़ेगा.
And this time we are back with our first video where we want to talk about
with the first video.
Huh? English. Lights, camera, action.